How to lock your profile on Facebook. First thing first, you're gonna have to open up your Facebook app on your phone. Once you open up your Facebook app, you will land on your homepage like this. And on the top right, you'll find the menu icon. So just tap on it. Once you land on the menu page, you can just tap on your profile name or icon to go to your profile settings. Once landed on your profile settings, you'll find the edit profile button, and right besides that, you will see the three dots. Go ahead and tap on the three dots. And once you do that, your profile settings will open up and you will be able to see different kind of menus here. And right below view as, you'll find the profile lock option. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you do that, only your friends will be able to see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will be able to see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. Now click on Lock Profile. And after doing this, your profile will successfully be locked. Now click on OK. And if I tap on this, and then click on View as you can see, other public eye will see my profile like this, as my profile has been locked. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.